The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be the biggest redesign since the original Ultra, and these new titanium leaks are honestly getting wild. So today we're breaking down everything that just dropped about the thinner, lighter, and more powerful Ultra 4 that Apple might reveal this year. And trust me, if these leaks are accurate, this could be the smartwatch that finally convinces a ton of people to upgrade, even if they skip the Ultra 2 and Ultra 3. First off, the biggest thing everyone is talking about is the new titanium frame redesign, because the new leak suggests Apple is using a lighter grade of aerospace titanium, making the Ultra 4 noticeably lighter on the wrist while staying just as durable. And for anyone who used the previous Ultras, you know that weight difference is a big deal, especially for fitness users and people who wear their watch 24/7. But the shocker here is the thickness reduction, because the Ultra 4 is rumored to be up to 10% thinner, which doesn't sound huge until you actually see the comparison, and suddenly the whole watch looks sleeker, more premium, and honestly more wearable for people with smaller wrists. And then there's the display upgrade, because apparently Apple is testing a brighter MicroLED panel, which could be the biggest visual jump we've ever seen on an Apple Watch, giving you deeper blacks, punchier colors, better outdoor visibility, and lower power consumption. And that last part matters because the battery life on the Ultra is already insane, so imagine adding even more efficiency on top of that. Speaking of battery, there's a leak suggesting Apple is working on a new low-power performance mode that uses AI-assisted optimization to stretch battery life when you're off the grid, and if that's true, this could become the ultimate adventure watch for hikers, runners, and anyone who hates charging every night. Another huge upgrade being teased is a new, precision health sensor setup, which includes improved Generation 3 optical sensors and possibly the long-rumored blood pressure monitoring feature, and while no one can confirm it yet, the fact that multiple sources mention new health features makes this the Ultra with the biggest health jump ever. And of course the chip. The Ultra 4 is expected to get the new S10 chip, which might finally bring smoother animations, faster app loads, and improved Siri on-device processing, meaning quicker commands, no delays, and better AI-based features. We also might be getting new band colors and a refreshed dark titanium option that looks insanely good in renders, and if Apple actually ships that color, it's basically guaranteed to be the fan favorite. The question now is whether these leaks are real, but the fact that multiple sources are reporting the same redesign and the same titanium weight reduction makes it feel more legit by the day. And honestly, if Apple really launches a thinner Ultra with MicroLED, better battery, a lighter titanium frame, new health features, and the S10 chip, this could easily be the biggest Apple Watch upgrade in years. So yeah, with all these new details, the rumored Apple Watch Ultra 4 is shaping up to be a monster upgrade, and if Apple nails this redesign, we might be looking at the smartwatch that steals all the attention at the next Apple event.